Hey, we're out here at this wood door install in Trophy Club. Me and Cutter are out here doing the heavy lifting. Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwiches. Now but Raphael and Roger are inside getting the installs done. I'm just gonna show you the outside. This design does look good. Oh, there we go. Alright.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good, man. Doing good. Oh, she looks pretty.
She does. Now, I did notice this, but I did just notice something on my last kid.
We'll go through the rest of it here in a bit.
It's sort of biased.
Go down. Comparatively, when you have that DC motor
Yeah.
and it's sitting on the side, it is pretty.